Hi, it's Patrick with E38. In this video I'll show you how to connect and use your Emlid RS3 in the ProStar Pointman software. The simplest way is to configure your RS3's corrections in the Emlid Flow app first. In this case I'll be using the RS3 as a network rover, utilizing an N-trip network. See our configuration guides linked in the description or in the resources section of our website if you need help there. Then we will open the Pointman software. Once open, we'll tap the menu and then Settings. In the Settings window, tap Configure BTLE, then tap Scan. If you don't see your RS3, tap Rescan All. When you see your receiver, tap on it, then tap Add and OK. Now tap on the GPS dropdown and select Emlid BTLE. You should have another dropdown box appear with the unit we added selectable. With our RS3 selected, we can now start adding points with it. You'll see the RTK status and residuals of our RS3 listed in the top right corner of the screen. This has been Patrick with E38 Survey Solutions. Thanks for watching.